One of the first things that strikes me is we used to have an old adage, it was a long time ago around security, which was physical access is access. You give me access to any server, physical access to any server, I can hack it. And I'm not even that good. But physical access is access. There's enough tools out there that you get there. So now I'm thinking, okay, great. We've moved everything to the data center, that physical access to the servers is done. Physical access to the devices in the hospital, we secured that. So we have a security department. They make sure that the equipment is not tampered with and people aren't coming in and out and doing things like that. Now we're starting to move into these remote locations, and we don't have the same level of physical security. We might have cameras and those kind of things, and that's good and that's helpful. And then we move into the home. And I think, how do I ensure that I have a secure connection between home and my location? And I used to worry about people sitting in our lobby on our free Wi-Fi, getting on our network and trying to hack our routers and hubs and switches. And maybe that was just a CIO's paranoia, but now they could just sit in their home, or somebody could sit outside their house, hack their router. They know that there's devices in there that are communicating straight back to our hospital and our devices. How are we going to ensure that stuff? That's the kind of stuff that I hope smarter people than I are really working on, to identify the traffic that's an anomaly, shutting down that traffic, identifying it quicker, identify it within seconds, closing it down within minutes, so that we can keep hackers out. That continues to be, as we continue to make this progress, and I think we need to make this progress in terms of delivering care in a lot of different settings. I continue to worry about the cybersecurity threat.
So the first thing we do is we have 1 hour meetings, 1 hour status reports, 1 hour of timesheets. And at the end of the day, we figured this out. All kidding aside though, I think we need to learn from other industries that have a leap on this. We trusted our banking, we've trusted our money to open access, not just money in the bank. We went to ATMs, we do bank from homes on our phones and on our laptops and what are all that, right? Nobody's figured out, and I think the challenge will forever exist. There's, I forget the saying, but it's security and convenience shall never meet. We get frustrated with a triple factor authentication and sliding puzzle pieces to make it match and all that kind of stuff to get in. So I think number one is we've forever trusted things that were important to us, and we need to, and in healthcare, we need to really align ourselves with that, maybe even be better than that. Those ways of securing what's important to us at a distance exists in other industries, and we need to really learn from that.